What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Here we go. B-Hall's in the intro, guys. What's going on? Today, we are going to be messing around with a 9-horse Sodi go-kart, courtesy of Jay at Monza World Class Karting at Foxwoods. It's going to be so much fun. And he even brought, look at this. We got freaking drift tires. What? We got drift tires. Whoa. We're going to do some drifting today, boys. The funny thing is you guys all wanted this right here. Like, from the second that Jimmy came and got this shop, you all wanted him to do a donut. And let's be real, that's not gonna happen with a car. Like, he doesn't want to lose the lease. But a go-kart? I mean, how much trouble can we get in with this thing?
Just a little bit. I don't know, Sammy, how much trouble? This much.
Anyone have jack stands?
Keep going. Down.
Doing? Changing the diff fluid? What's going on?
Just a quick change. We got to get the gearing right. Hold on.
What's going on under there?
It should be good. Should be good now. I just had to do a quick tune-up.
All right, so we have as much angle as probably a stock S13, so this is either gonna work really, really well or just be completely useless. Either way, it's gonna be a blast. So, do the honors, Jay?
Ready to go?
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Here we go, she's purring now.
Got life.
This is not gonna be easy. Give me a little assist on this. This is gonna be hard to get used to, but I think we can figure it out.
This is gonna be insane.
All right, B, your turn. This is awesome. You gotta go big, you gotta go wide. Yeah! What do you think, B? This is super fun, super fun. We gotta I think we gotta get a line going where we actually have a good spot so we can get better. Okay. You know what I mean? So we all had our fun in the cart. We all got a test drive in it. It was a blast. It was kind of hard to drive. Sammy did great.
No, I hit stuff.
You hit stuff?
Hey, your bicycle.
It's drifting. We all hit stuff. So now it's time to do some drift challenges and really put us to the test. So first challenge we're gonna do a proximity challenge. Brian, you wanna explain it? So we have our course layout here, and back here where the cone is laid over is the initiation zone. So you wanna start entering your drift there. Come as close as possible to the piece of drywall, which we've marked out, so it'll be nice and fair for everyone. And then follow through with your drift without hitting this. Person that comes closest without hitting it, win. Raise your hand if you're gonna compete. Sammy, you can compete.
What?
I'm kidding. No, let's go. So we got the celebrity judge right here. So do you want to do it with a tape measure or by eyeball?
Tape measure is exact, right?
I'm into it. Come on.
I don't want to go first. That means the cart's coolest, so.
We got the proximity cam set up right here so we can see exactly how close we get. And if we have any disputes, we could do the playback. Perfect. Because I know Jip's gonna bitch about it. Replay.
So you ready? You got a good strategy?
I have
What's
no
your plan going in?
Just hit the gas and turn. I don't know. Like NASCAR, turn left. That's why I didn't want to go first.
Reset. We're good. We got plenty of drywall. Oh! You're out.
Pretend we're not watching.
Yeah,
He's out.
disqualified.
My predictions are no. I think he's not going to hit it at all on the first go.
What the hell? You're disqualified. It's not easy, right?
I didn't even make fun of you, lip. I'm stuck. Do not let off the gas.
Okay, Dad.
The angle is bad. I'm telling you right now. Drive well.
Oh, that was a success. That was the best one so far. Mike, currently the winner. By how many feet? 4 feet. But you're doing great.
We have a photo.
Oh, wow. No, he got closer than we thought. He entered late.
Yeah.
So the real challenge is trying to continue the drift as you go. Though these things have 9 horsepower, they do grip up a little bit and they kind of bog down. So to keep it going, it's a challenge. You got to pick the right line.
I'm nervous. Let's give it a shot.
See, he goes right in for it. All right, here we go. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Straightened out, but good.
That first one was it.
Oh! I don't know about the last one. The last one was really good. I think
You want that first one?
no, the last one was better than that.
Really?
Sammy, that was so good.
Thanks.
The last one was honestly somewhere around an amp.
Nice work, kid.
I'm happy.
4 inches? 4 inches.
All right, Sammy, you're all
Sammy, 4 inches.
Nice.
Same.
Whoa! Okay. That was good. He kept it going.
How close did Sumo get? Not close.
Like
A couple feet?
2.5, 3 feet.
Yeah, all right.
You beat Mike.
2.5 feet. All right, who's up?
Who's up?
Mike's just happy that he beat the other Mike.
You're up. Yeah, I'm the first Mike. I'm more important.
All right, Dean.
Oh, God.
My drywall.
Not my drive.
Didn't know Kyle was driving.
That's nice. Got me wristling in my jimmies. Consistency is key.
Not bad, dude. That was really good.
How'd I do?
Pretty good.
Close?
How was the proximity on that?
The third one was about a foot, and then this is the second one. I think the second one, yeah, that's pretty close.
You think that is 5 or 6 inches?
I'll give it 5 inches. Yeah.
5 inches, baby.
Yes!
You're still in the lead.
You're up, so I'm not gonna be.
No, I'm gonna clock this thing.
Now, if this goes according to plan, Jimmy's probably going to get 6 inches. Oh! That was 12 inches. I don't know.
That's close.
That was it.
I think that might have been
That was it.
That
Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't know.
That,
Jimmy, man.
I honestly, I want to see mine. Let's see mine. Let's pull up me, Sammy, and Jimmy,
Yours
and
was
we'll
the
compare.
second one,
All right.
I think, was the good one.
I,
The
honestly,
consistency on Sammy was impressive.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, no, not that one.
that's mine.
That's the 5 inch.
That's the 5 inch, and then yours.
I think Jimmy's
Is
like
right here.
just about the same. Oh, that might have been closer. Oh,
I think that's the closest
Do we
one.
battle it out?
I say it's 4.
Battle.
Okay, so me and Jimmy got a battle for second and third.
Let's go.
Yep, we're good. $5 says he's gonna clobber it again. Told you.
He's sweating. He's sweating.
You choked.
Yeah, well, let's see you not choke, and then you'll win. All right, that's enough. The next challenge.
No.
Oh, it's so good. You're like on the tape.
You definitely had the closest one of the night.
Yep. That's the record.
Oh yeah.
Points.
2 points.
Yeah, yeah.
1 point.
Perfect. All right, boys. Next challenge. What's the next challenge?
Parking.
We're gonna go straight to parking here. All right, so we are all set up for the next challenge, and the next challenge is, like we said, the parking challenge. So we just tested it out, and I think this is the setup that we came to. And so we're gonna start all the way back there in that corner, come around, and just have to nose it into a 180, just like it's sitting right there. So the closest to the wall, both edges, so we're gonna measure right in the center, without hitting it, wins. Easy peasy. Should we do 1 try or 2 tries? 2. So let's check it out.
If you hit this or if you hit those, 0.
Okay.
If he backs, he dies. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's hard.
All right.
33 3/4.
33 and 3/4. the measurement!
Yo, did you see him use his hips?
Yes.
That's how he closes the refrigerator door. Not a human.
Yeah. Oh, not bad.
Yeah, great. Fantastic.
All right, Mike.
I'm having fun either way.
60 inches.
Woo! 60 inches, RJ.
So what's your game plan here?
I have no idea. I'm just gonna mash the throttle and kind of turn into it and hope for the best.
You can do the RJ technique. Use the hips.
Wait.
Okay.
All right. 52. 52 for round one of Mike.
Beat RJ.
Ooh. 41. I'm not last. I'll take it.
You excited or what?
Yeah.
You're gonna win this one or what?
No.
You got it, Sammy. I believe in you.
Oh, that's bad, man. That doesn't count.
That's so bad.
Then hopefully he messes this one up, Mr. Points Leader over there. That counts! That counts! Oh!
So close. Oh, that's so fun.
Foot, a solid foot, baby.
All right, Sammy's winning right now with 12 inches. That's pretty damn close. So, I mean, that's without touching anything. So, let's see how Mike does.
Oh, too soon. We'll count it for sumo. We're gonna add a couple inches because it's not technical. We're gonna go tied. You're tied with whoever got 31. I'll tie with Mike any day.
What? Turn B.
I can do this. I'm just happy to be a part of it.
Like 14 or 16. Well, he's doing it different than every single other one. Well, I wasn't the one measuring. You handed me this. You handed me this. Told you I was gonna go through it.
Someone had to do it.
I'm glad it was him. You're up, Jimmy. Jimmy wins. I'm trying to get closer.
I'm going to smack it the next time.
We need a number.
You don't need to measure. You won. 5.
Try to get closer. 6.
I'll try again. Oh my God!
Honestly, you're the straightest one of all of us.
That's definitely true.
So,
We got 5 and 5 for first. Sammy and Jimmy. Brian in third with 2.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ooh, yeah.
Sammy, we gotta.
What are we doing?
I don't know. What's the?
Final challenge.
Mike came up with a good idea.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a drift limbo style. So you're gonna have cones on either side, and then as they have to drift through them, and as each round goes, the cones will get closer, and whoever makes it through the smallest cones wins. Yeah!
Bow to each other, show respect.
All right, get him back.
All right, who's up first?
Should we,
Rochambeau, that's the only fair thing.
Sammy's first.
Okay.
That was textbook. One more. We're gonna give Sammy a mulligan on this one. If you can squeeze through it, we'll keep going. If you don't, I'm taking the trophy, baby. He did it. Sammy wins. Sammy got on the tailgate drift. So Sammy won the Miata Rob Award of the day.
That was fun.
This was a weird one.
That was very weird.
That was weird.
Very
but
weird.
I'd say Sammy takes the win on this.
Let's share it.
Yeah, open drift.
Open drift.
for one night. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah! All right, this has probably been the funnest thing we've done in this bay yet. But this, oh, you killed the vibe! This has been amazing. I don't know what else to say.
My rectal.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay. That was amazing. That was amazing. Rad, very rad experience.
Adult supervision required. So hopefully next time we'll have the whole squad at Mons at Foxwoods having a good time.
Yes, sir.
One more thing I know you wanted to share.
Well, at Monza World Class Karting down at Foxwoods here in Connecticut on Saturday, October 26th. Jimmy and Stephanie are all going to come down and race in a race that's going to benefit Special Olympics for Connecticut. Check it out. It'll be awesome.
Come hang, come have some food, have some good times, and go lose some money.
Right on.
Yeah! Gambling. You spent all that money on that floor buffer that we all almost died on. All you had to do was just get this cool thing
I know,
down
look how clean it is now, but there's
Dust everywhere, so everyone, grab a broom. Let's get to work.
I gotta go.
My arm is falling. Yeah, that's what always happens. All right, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and everyone,
Have a good night!